There's nothing you can do that can't be done. Nothing you can sing that can't be sung. There's nothing you can say, but you can learn how to play the game. It's easy. There's nothing you can make that can't be made. No one you can save that can't be saved. There's nothing you can do, but you can learn how to be you in time. It's easy. All you need is love. All you need is love. All you need is love. Love. Love is all you need.
Jefferson's dreaming of walking on the pitch of the still doing that thing. Jefferson's dreaming of walking on the pitch of the Estadio Bernabéu in a week's time. Look, he's just practicing, thinking about how many people are going to be watching him around the world, envisaging it. He's living it in a dream. The crowds are going wild for Jefferson, the wonder dog, the modern day Pickles. His little legs jigging around. What a dog.
There's nowhere you can be that isn't where you're meant to be. It's easy. All you need is love. All you need is love. All you need is love. Love. Love is all you need. She loves you, yeah, yeah, yeah. She loves you, yeah, yeah, yeah. All you need is love. All you need is love. All you need is love. Love. Love is all you need. Love is all you need. Love is all you need.
Após percorrer a pé quase 2.000 quilômetros em 100 dias, um grupo de 4 ingleses, enfim, chegou na tarde deste domingo ao estádio Beira Rio, em Porto Alegre. Adam, Dave, Pete e Ben partiram há 3 meses de Mendoza, na Argentina, em uma longa jornada com o objetivo de arrecadar doações para a construção de poços artesianos na Bahia.
The Argentines, the Uruguayans and the Brazilians, the kindness that we've had has been incredible. We were a little bit worried about our safety, walking 7-9 hours a day through areas we just didn't know what we'd be facing, but everywhere we've gone, we've just had unbelievable kindness. People.
O fim da aventura épica dos 4 amigos, porém, foi ofuscado pela emoção de um reencontro inesperado. Jefferson, o vira-latas que os ingleses haviam adotado no litoral do Uruguai há cerca de um mês, saiu correndo assim que viu seu dono, o uruguaio Inácio Echechurri, que partiu às pressas ao Brasil assim que soube do paradeiro do seu cão.
¡Oh, Nacho! Nacho, ¿cómo estás?
Negro. Negro.
All you need is love. All you need is love.
What's this clown?
I don't know.
All you need is love. All you need is love. All you need is love. Love. Love is all. Nice to meet you.
Hello, Pete. How
Hi,
are you?
Dave.
Hello, Dave.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, and that's Adam, I suppose.
That's Adam, yeah.
Okay. Hello.
Jefferson's just been reunited with Nacho. Nacho, amigo.
Hello,
¿Qué tal?
Jefferson.
No, no,
Negro
por favor,
Jefferson.
gracias. Just Jefferson. Perro insane, nuestro amigo.
Oh,
Qué historia, ¿no?
¿cómo va? ¿Todo bien?
Crazy days at Walk to the World Cup.
Love is all we need. Love is all.